I've been, of course, in the conference, looking at all the exhibits, and I think it's fascinating how much is going on here in Dubai in relation to the Internet of Things. I also envision Dubai is a wonderful place to start to implement it. Dubai is, in a way, such a young city if you compare it to older cities like Venice or Paris or Rome. Dubai is so young, but that's also that we can make new decisions at an infrastructure level today, which should be, well, geared towards the long run. And I think that's also in this event what many speakers or also companies are trying to do, is to really push something that will become a new standard, and that might even develop into, well, maybe in the long run something natural, some naturalized technology.